In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your name here in Clash Royale. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This will work the exact same no matter which device you're playing on, but begin by opening up Clash Royale and making sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main menu screen, go up to the top right corner and select the 3-line icon, just like so. This is going to take you to a page that looks like this. You just have to tap Supercell ID. Now, once you're in your Supercell ID, what you need to go ahead and do is hit the little settings wheel icon, just like so. It's going to then take you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to see an option to change your player ID. Go ahead and hit change, and then of course you can change in this section as well. Just keep in mind you can only do this once. After that, go ahead and back out, and you also have to change your name directly inside of Clash Royale. So go ahead and tap the 3 lines again, but this time hit settings and then hit change name. And keep in mind the first time you do this, it is going to be free, but after that, it is going to start charging you gems. And if you don't even see the option, it's because you do need to be at least King level 5 in order to change your name. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.